Isaac Roth, CEO of AW Machinery. If you're going down to Atlanta for IWF 2026, I want to give you 3 reasons to consider partnering with AW Machinery. Reason 1, when you're down there at that show, there are hundreds of manufacturers that are all going to try to be convincing you of the same thing, that their machine is the right machine for you. And with AW Machinery, we have product specialists here that have sold thousands of machines and worked with thousands of customers that know what machines work right in what applications. We will help you determine the right machine for your application. Commitment number 2, we're going to help you get the best price possible while down at Atlanta at IWF. Oftentimes, AW Machinery provides discounts beyond even what the manufacturer will provide you, saving you even more money. So don't miss out on the additional savings when you partner with AW. And reason number 3, and probably the most important reason, we will be your partner on that machine for the life of that machine. Guys, you need an advocate, you need somebody that's trained in service and parts to help you keep that machine going for the long term, and that's where AW Machinery shines. Once the glitz and the glamour of the show is all over, we care about keeping that machine running for years. So guys, if you're heading down to Atlanta, if you're looking at new industrial woodworking equipment, please choose AW Machinery as your woodworking partner.